Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are at a place called Korahe. Korahe is in which town?
Okay, thank you so much. My name is Abdul Wahab Wadar, in Somali region of Ethiopia. Particularly now me with Ationa, we are in Korahe zone, particularly Kabridahar city administration. Yeah, so what now we wanted to share with you is that to
The kind of roads?
Yeah, this is a type of road, which is a permanent road. A stone is laid and it's called a cobblestone road.
Spell the name cobble.
Okay, the name cobblestone is already known. The name cobble is C-O-B-L-E.
Okay.
Yeah.
Is it the same type of stone?
It's the same type of stone we are seeing constructed at that compound.
On the walls, right?
On the wall, yeah. But that one seems larger than this. So it will be, cut. Yeah.
Like these ones now?
Exactly.
Okay.
Exactly.
Yeah. So do we use cement to put them together?
Actually, first and foremost, before laying the stone, there should be a concrete,
like
constructed like this, and another one parallel there
on both sides.
On both sides, parallelly.
Yes.
With 50 centimeter length.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay.
Some people do 30 centimeter.
Yes.
Height. Then the stone, which is already prepared, will be laid.
Okay.
Yeah. Some trained technicians usually do, but it's very simple. Usually our women are trained so much so that they are created a job.
Oh, yeah. So they are the ones who work on this?
Exactly, our women.
Not men?
Even men was not included.
What?
Practically. Men was not included.
It is only women who arrange this?
Exactly.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. So, now who makes this? Is it the government or the community?
No. The government does this. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. And then at the end, when the cobblestone is arranged, then there will be like this type of black smaller stones, which is which is filled the four spaces between the stones.
Okay, so they make them compact.
Exactly. They make them compact and connect together.
Okay. So, okay, that is very fine. So this is one style of way that we can also make our roads in Kenya. It's not very expensive, this one?
Actually, it's not very expensive. It's a matter of preparing the stone, and also you can understand it depends on the length of the road you are going to construct, but usually this is very cost effective.
Yeah, because comparatively with the tarmac,
exactly,
the tarmac will be very expensive to cover such a length.
Exactly, sure.
So that one is made by the national government.
Yeah, that's made by the national government.
And this one by the community.
And this one is the government itself, but the regional government is making this one.
Oh,
yeah,
okay.
Particularly Kabridahar city administration.
Okay.
Has done this cobblestone, not here, but for too many places in the town.
That is fine, ladies and gentlemen. We can learn from what we have seen. And maybe make good roads in Kenya, permanent roads. Whenever there is a rain, we can have good passable roads.
Yeah, this is a lesson learned. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I am Otieno Isaiah for Sweet Reality Kenya TV. Thank you so much. Until next time, bye-bye.